Hello students, I'm Pratap, your co-traveler in your UPSC journey. Okay. As we have already decided almost 1.5 years back that we will be giving you the UPSC zoology notes, which will be based on almost 43 years of previous year question papers, and also along with the syllabus points which are given in the UPSC. Okay. So in that we have already completed 8 chapters. So we are currently studying the ninth chapter, which is evolution. Okay. But before that, I have already announced that we are upgrading our entire interface system. So we are integrating the interactive digital board along with the all the other modern facilities which will make your lecture, this entire session, very easy and mostly interactive for you. Okay, so today, after this purchase of this 1 lakh PC along with the monitor, so right now there is a time for second unboxing. Okay, after this we will unbox our this Ekin interactive digital panel and this PTZ camera also. Okay, but let's unbox the first big purchase after the PC, because PC is almost a kind of a basic requirement. So I will not consider that it is the part of a studio. Okay, but this mic, okay, these Sennheiser mics, okay, it is costing almost 29,000, but you can get it on Amazon for 26,000 only. Okay, so this will be a value addition to our course, because when you will use this mic, there will not be any noise issues will be there. Okay, so if in the many lectures actually this has happened, I used to get some problem in the audio quality or the audio interface. But when we will start to use this, this will not be the case. Okay. And even after 3-4 months, when I am going to start some of the offline courses for our basics 11th and 12th biology, okay, along with the NEET also in the offline modes, at that time also we can use the same mic. Okay. So with this, let's unbox it, okay, and let's start the first big step in making our Shiva School digitized platform. Okay. So let me just unbox. I think there are no labels were there. Okay, it's actually unfortunate. There should be some seals here. Okay, but maybe they are not providing with this seal. Okay, so in that, the first part is, I think, this manual. Okay. So there will be different settings will be there. Actually, I have contacted the Ekin, the Infotech. They are actually going to provide me all the installation which will be required for the studio setup. Okay, along with the lights also, and along with the all the settings with this my camera and the panel, the PC, everything. Okay, so we are just going to unbox it and we are not going to try to use it. Okay, but because there may be some problems which may arise. Okay, because although I am a kind of a technical person, but these kind of things were actually newer to me. Okay, so I think this is the receiver box. Okay, from where these all the signals will come and go. Okay, so this will be the kind of a basic CPU of this mic, right? So it's look kind of sturdy and of quite good build also. So let's remove the polythene. Let's see. Oh, good. So you can see the build quality is quite good. Okay, so for the 26,000, this is, I think, one of the best quality of the mics I have ever seen, right? So let's see the next part which was there. So I think this is the transmitter. Okay, and this transmitter you will be required to carry along with you. Okay, this transmitter you will be required to put in your this pocket. Okay, आपको ये जेब में रखना पड़ेगा आपके. And from here there will another, because this will this send and process the signals to this, right? So this will always be along with you. From here now, I think there are some, these cords will be there. Okay, so this is our actual mic which we will have to wear. Okay, so and this pin, okay, suppose we wore it like this. Okay, let's try and let's just unfold it, right? At least that much we can do. Okay. So how it will be? Maybe like this. Okay. Then we will have to put this extension into this transmitter, right? So it looks like it is here. They have also given a pin. Okay, so with which you can, I think, tie it over here. See what happens at the many times in the live lectures or even the offline lectures is this pin just get dislodged from its connection. Okay, so to prevent that, it's a good thing they have given actually a kind of a lock. Okay, so once you have connected, I think the another parts are required to be connected are like this. Okay, so this is the connection. Maybe some of these wires will go to the PC. Okay, but as I have told you, we are going to see all of those settings of the studio. Okay, but not right now. Okay, when they were the Ekin panel, the Ekin Infotech will just set up all the component of my studio. At that time, I will give you in detailed descriptions that they have each and every pins which are here are need to be plugged, right? But as I can see, you can put this here. Okay, this is just based on my better understanding. Okay, I think this you will be required to be plugged into the power source. So they have given it this pin also. They actually given in a very good kind of sturdy packaging, so there will not be any these transport damages will be there. Okay, so as it looks, it's required to be fitted here. Okay, just like our the iPad charger. Okay, so once it gets fitted, I think this is to be required to be plugged into the power source, right? So this will get on, then from where we will be required to send the signals to the PC. Okay, now that will be the part which we will have to ask to the studio setup peoples, right? So that is not our part of concern right now, because even if right now I will try to use it, but there will be some issues will be there. So this is just an unboxing video, right? Along with it, actually they have given two cells also. Okay, so this must be fitted in this receiver, okay, or transmitter, what is wireless transmitter. So it will get fitted into this. Okay, after that they have given one this power plug. Okay, for now I don't know for what it is, right? Maybe it is another power source requirement, another powers this connector for this charger. Okay, sometimes you have these two pins. Okay, and sometimes these pins are there. Okay, mostly the observed I think in the foreign countries. Okay, so these two types of adapters are there to connect this. Like, after that, this is one of the component. Okay, so what it is, this is another type of power plug maybe, right? So this is the entire our the Sennheiser wireless mic this unboxing. The next time when we are going to meet is with the Ekin panels, the unboxing, or with the PTZ Maxhub PTZ camera unboxing, right? So I know there are some delays are there in the lectures, but remember all these lectures are just for the good. Okay, because when you will experience these lectures on this interactive digital panel, it will be more the useful to you. Okay, you can you can concentrate on these lectures. Okay, instead of these lectures which are there, which I upload right now. Okay, these interactive digital boards or these interactive lectures will be more this knowledgeable and useful for you. Okay, so let's stop here, then we will meet in our next unboxing. Then we will restart our UPSC free YouTube lecture series. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.